Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss about role of water and dietary fibers in nutrition. The topic is role of water. Why water is important? Water is very important nutrient that plays a key role in the functions of human body. Means it has number of functions within human body. That's why we need a specific amount of water. Number one, water is important for hydration. It means, what is the meaning of hydration? It means having specific amount in the body to keep the body hydrated. And why we need to keep the body hydrated? It is because of many reasons. It is important to maintain body temperature. How is it important to maintain the body temperature? For example, during summer or on a hot day, when our body temperature elevates, our body starts sweating. So we knew that evaporating molecules carry a specific amount of heat in them, and when these high energy molecules vaporize, they cause the decline in temperature of the remaining molecules, so our body feel cooling effect. So it is important to maintain or regulate the body temperature through sweating. And number three, it is important for nutrient transport. What type of nutrients? For example, after digestion, the food is digested within digestive tract, and it is transported to all over the body parts. So this transport takes place with the help of blood contains specific amount of water in it, so all the nutrients are transported, and in the same way oxygen is transported toward every cell of the body. There is We know that hemoglobin is important for the oxygenation of blood, so this oxygen is transport with the help of water. And next, waste removal. Water is important to get rid of waste materials like urea, excess of electrolytes. In the same way, during sweating, we eliminate most of the salts through the body. Electrolytes mean different types of ions are present within body, like sodium ions, potassium ions, chloride ions. When these ions are present in excessive amount, they need to be removed from the body. So these ions are removed with the help of water. Water is also important for joint lubrication. Lubrication mean the phenomena of reducing friction with the help of any lubricant. So at joints where bones meet together our bones meet together, so in that area, in joint area, there is we know there is presence of cartilage, and this cartilage release uh, liquid. This liquid contains water in it, and this lubricant, it is called lubricant, and this lubricant lubricates our joints, so our bones do not fuse together while movement. So it is important for lubricating and cushions the joints. Next, water is important for digestion. Water helps with digestion and prevents constipation. Meanwhile, digesting food, we need a specific amount of water. The water must be present within digestive system, so the food particles can be easily digested. When food content has specific amount of water in it, it can easily be passed through the colon. It can easily be passed through the intestine, so it helps to prevent constipation. Water is also important for brain functioning. For our brain functioning, water, there is about 70 to 80% water required for proper brain functioning. So if we want to improve our memory, thinking and problem solving skills, we need in specific, we need a specific amount of water. Skin health. Water helps maintain skin hydration and many support collagen production. Collagen is a protein that is important for the formation of our bones, cartilage, and skin. So if the structure of this collagen will be better, it's mean it will maintain our skin. And maintaining skin hydration mean keeping the skin hydrated, mean keeping the specific amount of water within skin, so it will makes our skin hydrated. Organ protection. Water protects body organs and tissues. Many organs in our body, they are protected by water or any water like liquid. For example, our heart is protected by pericardium. This pericardium also has a liquid in it which lubricates our heart during pumping. In the same way, our lungs, they contract and relax, and they also have membranes around them. They are called pleural membranes, and those membranes also have liquid in them which lubricates the lungs while contracting and relaxing. So in the same way, our spinal cord also has a liquid in it. So all this liquid is important to make the organ protected. And this protection make the organ shock absorbent. The organ becomes shock absorbent. For example, our eyes, spinal cord, they also have a liquid in them. ये लिक्विड क्या करेगा? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड आल्सो हैज़ अ लिक्विड. हमारी जो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड है वो इट इज़ प्रोटेक्टेड बाय वर्टिब्रल कॉलम. Vertebral column has multiple discs, so these discs are connected together with the help of cartilage. This cartilage release a specific liquid that lubricates all the time to spine vertebral column. उससे क्या होगा? व्हेन अ सडन प्रेशर इज़ अप्लाइड, उस प्रेशर से क्या होगा? वो प्रेशर जो है, वो जो लिक्विड होगा उसको अपने अंदर, उस प्रेशर को क्या करेगा? एब्जॉर्ब करेगा. एंड इट विल प्रिवेंट अस फ्रॉम अ सडन ट्रॉमा, सडन शॉक. So water is also important as a shock absorbent. In the same way, our eyes also hydrated all the time. This hydration